Hello everyone, so today I'm going to do some more editing process on the 90mm f2 Fujifilm X-T2. So let's get started. And so this one is a sunset hour, so I'm going to edit some existing photo from the shoot. And it's classic chrome as the base, and then I'm going to update. I can use two different style. You can use E5 also, but let me try the U3 to see how it goes. And then I'm gonna increase the highlight save, increase the sharpness, increase the contrast a little bit, slightly reduce the exposure to create a mood and tone. So let me see. So the tone I can highlight save a little bit more, and then increase the contrast, slightly adjust 4:5 crop from Instagram. So 4:5 vertical crop for Instagram posts. And then there's some green in the background. I might use the HSL. So let me update this one. The green. Let me see how's the green affect the image. I might reduce the blue. So you can see the blue has some blue in the back. I'm gonna reduce the blue so that the main tone, it will be focusing on the brown sunset tone, golden color tone. And so I think that's before and after. So let me save it. Okay, so I saved this one. The next one is the backlight. So I'm gonna use this one or E5. So I'm gonna use the U3 just to be consistent throughout the editing. So I'm using the U3 also. So the backlight, I have another video for the backlight tips. You can just search Sing backlight tips for my other video for the sunset tips. And so this is 90mm f2 also. So this whole shoot was shot on the 90mm f2. So let me slightly adjust the, yep, so increase to, so I'm adjusting the headroom, so that's before and after. I can even reduce more highlight save. Exposure, I don't want to be too dark, just slightly minus 0.1. I think that's good. And then next one, I'm gonna use the same style and then increase the contrast, increase the sharpness, and then slightly, let me adjust the exposure, and then 4:5 crop. So as you can see, each image I take about 2 minutes per image, so 1 to 2 minutes if I have to go through the setting that I have been using. You can see the filters that I use, the set of the filter that I save in here. And in the VSCO X, you can see there's a for this photo also. So the VSCO by default, it tell you some filter that you can use by this set, and I have some favorite one that I saved out also. I'm gonna just use the U3 just to be consistent, and let me update the highlight save and then update here, increase the contrast, slightly reduce the exposure. I think this is good. And then the HSL, I'm gonna just update the blue tone in here. So because the next couple one has a similar effect, I'm just gonna copy the edit and then paste it to here. So I'm gonna save it. So let me copy the edit, and then paste it to here. Let me double check. copy. Okay, I think it's already, so you can see the filter already added, but it's too bright. I'm gonna reduce a lot more of the exposure for this one. So different image has a different brightness for here, so I'm gonna give more headroom this time to have some more negative space from the top third area of the image. And then let me double check just slightly like that, and then save it. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the edit and then paste all of those, so just in case, and then we can modify them later. So increase the sharpness a little bit. Okay, so let me crop it. This one I can crop it tighter, so like this, and then let me update the exposure. Okay, so that's good. And okay, so just each one I just modify a little bit based on the different lighting. So this one is too dark to me. I'm gonna increase back a little bit more. And this one is like close-up portrait, but I can crop even more. But position the portrait, the eyes around the top third grid area. And remind you that this is the 90mm f2 from the Fujifilm. It's a very sharp lens also. So let me adjust this one to all the next three. Just paste it there. And then let me do a 4:5 crop again for this one. Okay, so 4:5 crop. Let me see the lighting, contrast, and then save it. Okay, so the next one also, so save it here. And this one I'm gonna crop it more with the background. It's like a triangle shadow in the background, and I like that conversion to her body, just like leading line to her body. So let me slightly move up a little bit. Okay, so I think that's good, and then save it. And this is the last one, so let me adjust the lighting. And then adjust the HSL a little bit. Okay, so that's good. And then 4:5 crop for Instagram, so I'm gonna crop it a little bit like this. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. That's a quick overview of my VSCO editing on the Fujifilm X-T2, like the 90mm f2. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.